there, Nana here. I'm back with another story. So it is September 2024. Just got back to school, back in the library, working hard, and it's time to get back at it with making some videos. So today I am going to read Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howl and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tip-toe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips and wee slurps. Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, sniffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." As they nibble, as they munch, with a chew, chomp, and a crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters into the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes Bear hot-shoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls, Bear roars and he rumbles, Bear jumps and he stomps, Bear grumbles and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair, you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, and he spins tall tales throughout the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. They're all asleep. That was The Bear Snores On. I hope you loved this book as much as I did and as much as I love you.